Hi everyone, welcome to Peabolic Notes. This is Michael Kirkchin. Today is Sunday, February 6th. Today I'd like to share with you the link between what happens with Bitcoin and the altcoins. So this is something that really is very interesting. It makes a lot of sense to look at this because what it does is it shows how when Bitcoin goes below its 20-week EMA and 21-week SMA, or actually 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, how the altcoins have a direct link as far as their pricing is concerned. So I had done this exercise a couple of days back with Ethereum, and today I'd like to do it with some other altcoins as well and show how there seems to be almost a 100% correlation between what Bitcoin does and what these altcoins do. This is extremely interesting. Because right now we happen to be in this range where Bitcoin is below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. So let's pay close attention to it as it passes this point. Before I share my screen and before we get started, just please note that this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so everything we discussed today in these videos is just things that I'm sharing with you. And please do your own due diligence, do your own research before taking any action in this cryptocurrency space. Let me just share my screen with you and let's get started. So as you will see over here, what I had done was a few days back, as you recall, I had done the Bitcoin price and I had found where was Bitcoin going below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. So this one's done with this chart here down. This is a weekly chart. And over here, what happens is as we pay attention to this, we realize that in all these points where starting over here, where Bitcoin is below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, these are the points that I paid attention. So one of them is right over here. The second one is right in this range. And as we fast forward, the third one is going to be over here in this range. And then the next one will be in this range. So it went down here all the way until here and so forth. So I repeated this process and I marked down all the points where Bitcoin is going below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. The next thing I did was once I put all those dates, then I went to my Ethereum chart and looked at it, the Ethereum daily chart for those exact same dates to see what Ethereum did on those dates. For example, if I look at the first one, it was going from, now since Ethereum starts, the chart started a little later than Bitcoin's, I'm going to be starting it on January 29, 2018. So as we go over here, we see that Bitcoin went from January 29, 2018, it was below its, let's go on the actual chart. So I'll put this on a different screen. So Bitcoin basically went below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA on January 29, 2018. So once I go to Bitcoin chart and once we find January 29, 2018, which is going to be right over here. And then this lasted from here until here. So basically this lasted something in the range of 2 weeks until February 12th, where Bitcoin went from a close over here of 8,200, or approximately in the range of something in the range of $8,200 in US dollars. And over here, the close for Bitcoin was something in the range of 10,217. So if we go to the Ethereum chart for the exact same dates, because if I go back to the Bitcoin chart, we see that it was over here. So basically on January 29, 2018, Bitcoin closed approximately at around 8,235. And then on February 12, 2018, the Bitcoin close was approximately 10,368, meaning that there was actually in this small period, there was a gain for Bitcoin in a range of 26%. Between those dates for Ethereum, what happened? From January 29, 2018 to February 12th, this is a daily chart for us to find those exact same dates. So on January 29, 2018, we're going to be going back a little bit in history. right over here. So on January 29, 2018, Ethereum had a price of in the range of something in range of $11.50, and then as we go to February, actually I had marked it at a close of approximately on January 29, 2018. The close was in the range of something in the range of, I marked it at approximately $1,004. And then on February 12, 2018, Ethereum's close was something in the range of, right over here, I marked it at $842. So now I did this exercise all the way through, meaning that whenever Bitcoin was below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, I marked down what happened to the Ethereum at those exact same dates, meaning that as soon as Bitcoin went below these points, if you had sold your Ethereum positions, every single time was going to be a winner. Now, obviously, past performance is no guarantee that it's going to be behaving the exact same way. But as soon as we follow this procedure, on January 29, 2018 to February 12, 2018, between these dates, Ethereum went down 16%. Next time that Bitcoin was below the 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, Ethereum went down 8%. The next time this happened, it went down 35%, 64, 22, 32, 15, 21. And currently, if you look at what's going on with this current period, Bitcoin, as of December 6, 2021, right over here, we observed that right here on December 6, 2021, on the weekly chart is when Bitcoin went below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. And if we look at what Ethereum has been doing as of December 6, we're fast forwarding all the way to December 6 over here. And that's going to take us December 6, 2021. Ethereum that day had a close of approximately 4,351. And if you look at what is done since, as of today, we're hovering around something in the range of less than or approximately $3,000. So meaning that already in this period, Ethereum has gone down already 27%. This is really, really interesting stuff. Now, I want to do this exact same exercise with Solana and with AVAX as well, because Solana and AVAX are two other altcoins. They're both layer one protocols. And both those guys, when I checked both those tokens as well, I was able to get Solana on those two dates, because Solana on the charts, since Solana started later than Ethereum, I was able to only see the charts as of 2021. And AVAX, I was able to show it basically as of 2021 as well. But both those tokens as well, if you look at Solana and AVAX, so Solana between the dates of May 17 to August 2. So let's go back to Bitcoin and let's go to May 17, 2021 until August 2nd, 2021. This is when Bitcoin was below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. And if I look at the Ethereum chart between those dates, the Solana chart between those dates, right over here, meaning between May 27th and August the 2nd. So on May the 27th, Solana's close was something in the range of, let's find this, on May 17, 2021. Solana's close was something in the range of $46. And then on August the 2nd, 2021, Solana's close was something in the range of $39. So meaning that between these dates, when Bitcoin was below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, Solana went down 15%. And if you look at the next one, this happened on December 6th. On December 6th, 2021, Solana was trading at approximately, on a close, it was at approximately $109, right? And today we're in a range of $113. So meaning that if we had just sold our Solana back then, that means that this price drop of 43% would have completely missed it. And the exact same thing I did also with AVAX and ADA as well, which is Cardano. And both those tokens as well are following the exact same procedure. So meaning that as of date, with what's happened with Bitcoin's price chart and also these other layer ones, they seem to be directly linked with Bitcoin. And so it's almost the range, almost what this means that whenever Bitcoin goes below this 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, there's no point to be holding on to the other layer ones, that you might as well just sell those altcoins and just stay in the stable coins or even buy Bitcoin if you want. And then just wait until Bitcoin comes back. Because if you look at during those periods, if you look at what Bitcoin has done during those windows, when it went down below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, it seems that Bitcoin did okay. So basically, if I go over here and let's say if I go to see what Bitcoin is doing in those windows, we observe that it's not behaving that badly. Basically, as far as what's happening to Bitcoin's price during those windows, it seems to be doing still okay. Because if you look at this Excel file, which was me putting the data from those dates, we see that the first time this happened on TradingView, Bitcoin went up 3%, then it went up 14%, 26%, 16%, then it went down 5%, went down 40%, up 22%, up 27%, up 10%, up 27%, and 0%, right? So during those periods, it's behaving okay. Meanwhile, the altcoins, Ethereum went down every single time that Bitcoin was below its 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA. Solana, this will happen basically twice with Solana because it's a newer coin than Ethereum is, and both those times it went down as well. AVAX as well. This happened once with AVAX because that's what the price history is showing on TradingView, and Cardano, exact same thing as well. It happened twice, and both those times it went down at 36% and 20%. So let's keep this on file, and I'll pay attention to what happens to these altcoins. As soon as Bitcoin goes above this 20-week SMA and 21-week EMA, then we'll see how these altcoins behave as well during that period where Bitcoin's going something in the range of, I guess, something over here where it's going to be going above this these two moving averages. So thanks so much for watching, everyone, and we'll follow this again in the next couple weeks, couple months. Thank you.